Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it seems nowadays we all need to have a home office setup. So I really like this SDADI mobile standing desk. Now, because we live in a combined household, we need to have multiple people in the one office space that we have. And with the small section that we have to set up our office needs, this mobile desk was a great option. As you can see, it's not that big, but it is the perfect size to set up everything that we need. My husband does design work, so it's a great option for him to set up his keyboard and then his laptop in the back. And then with a monitor stand, he can see everything that he needs to get done. It's a real nice setup because it can be changed to a standing position or to a sitting position. The two leaves of the desk can be adjusted to different heights and has a nice lip for stopping your keyboard. You can even tilt the leaf that's closest to you and adjust the angle where your keyboard sits. So it's a really nice option. Someone who's needing to have a flexible setup for their desk to go from standing to sitting, or to just adjust the levels of their desk to fit their personal needs. So I think it is a great solution for anybody that has a small workspace option, and also to have the flexibility of going from standing to sitting, or to change the levels to fit whatever personal needs that you have. I think it is a good quality product, and that's my point of view.